Hey everyone, my name is Adam and I am the owner of Vintique Motors. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I want to go over this 1973 Suzuki GT185, but before we get to that, I want to let everybody know we're going to be offering this bike at no reserve on Bring a Trailer. So if you want to have a shot at buying it, get over to BAT, get some bids in on it. If you have any questions, need a shipping quote, hit the contact seller button, shoot me a message. I'd be happy to answer any questions you might have. So let's get into the bike. 73 Suzuki GT185. They called this the Adventurer model. Being a 73, it's only color you could get was bright blue metallic, as Suzuki called it. You know, great little around town bike, if you will. They were 184 cc's, twin cylinder, dual exhaust, dual carburetors. I believe they were 20mm Mikunis. Super cool little engine. We'll get to that in a minute. But drum brakes, front and back. 74 you got discs, but first year you got drums. Largely original bike. I've had the bike since 2022. Sometime in 2022 I bought it with about 3,000 miles on it. Right now it's showing 3,141. Is it original? Likely, but I have no definitive paperwork to say so from brand new to today. So, you know, I like to be positive. We'll say it's original. Because I have no other reason to doubt it. Seats in fantastic shape, looks awesome. All the lights are in fantastic shape. You know, everything works, all the power, all the electricals, and in a little bit here we'll fire it up, do a cold start, and take it outside for a little drive demo. Pretty cool. It's got the original manuals here under the seat. Still in the little pouch. Got your GT185 owner's manual, and there's a motorcycle safety guide, I guess I'll call it, that comes with it in the original pouch. Put a brand new battery in it, so you got plenty of go-go juice to fire this up. 220 ccas on that. I want to point your attention down here. This is one of the coolest things when I first saw this bike, the ram air system. Suzuki calls it. I don't know if it's a gimmick, I don't know if it's real, but pretty darn cool regardless. I want to point out a few imperfections on the bike, so I want to start here on our logo. Got some sun fading, and we'll get to the other side of the tank. The other side, very nice bright red paint in it, so not sure why this side has more wear and tear than the other, but we also have some cracking in the sticker. This is not painted, this is a sticker that they put on from the factory. The tank paint is in great shape. The paint on the side covers is great too. Down here there's a little bit of wear, likely from somebody in the past trying to take it off and didn't know what they were doing, but they didn't cause any real damage. Just some superficial, artificial surface mar to the lower section of that one. This side's in pretty good shape as well. There's some paint chipping down here under the tank, but you don't really see that when you're out and about cruising around. While we're on this side, I want to show the Suzuki emblem on this side. Nice and bright and red. This side tank cover is in great shape as well. You got your CCI oil system there. You can take a look at your oil injection because this is a two-stroke engine. Pretty nifty, rad little motor, if I don't say. Chrome's all in great shape. Fenders, chrome is in beautiful condition. The pipes, the chrome, I don't know if that's the original pipes. I'm pretty sure it is because it's got the factory GT185 stampings on it and stuff. Maybe some of you who know a little bit more about these bikes than me will chime in and validate that. But overall, fantastic condition. Let's do a little cold start. Show you guys everything's nice and cool. No issues there. And since this is a two-stroke, pretty quickly after I fire it up, we're going to take it outside because I don't want to get this place full of smoke. Turn our fuel on. Choke. Oh, one more thing to point out, there is a fuel filter here so that you can see your fuel going in, and you got a nice little fuel filter there. So that's an add-on. Somebody did in the past. Well, let's let it rip. high beams and low beams. Put this in neutral. Hold on a second. Come on, sucker. Put it in neutral. There we go. Blinkers. They are working, front and back. Brake lamps work. Come on up here. Your idiot lights are working. We're in neutral here. When you turn on your flashers, those all work very nice. So there you go. Everything works awesome on this bike. So like I said, we're going to be offering this on Bring a Trailer. So if you have any questions, let us know. Contact seller button. Fantastic little, highly original GT185. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like our channel.